Want to hang out while I do French? Good. We're gonna. So I like to use the brush out of the bottle when it's a longer French. I have other ways I do it with just little brush or like an angular brush, but when it's like a lot of real estate to cover, I start there and you can kind of see the natural smile line to the left there, that kind of white. That's how far off their natural smile line I'll push the brush from the bottle. We decided, my client and I here, that we wanted her smile line to land right at her natural one. So that's kind of what I went to. If you and your client decide you want it in a different place, just keep in mind that I put the bigger brush about 2 millimeters off that actual line so I can refine it. With this is like a medium striping brush size. I feel good control with it. I do not like coming around a curve and like flicking to the other side. It just makes me really uncomfortable. There's just this thing. So right here, you'll see me turn my brush to the side to feel in control. Anyway, that's how I do longer French with gel. It works for me.